Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set the timer on this Frigidaire microwave. It's really easy, really simple, but I finally figured it out, so I figured I'd share with you guys. So all you gotta do, press the timer, and you press the time that it is and hit start. And that's it, real simple. I'm gonna do it one more time here. Press the clock symbol, then press the time, then press start. Then your microwave time is set, okay? And this model Frigidaire is, that's the model number. And you can apply the same steps to any other Frigidaire similar brand. Okay, one more time here. Clock, put in your time, and hit start. And your Frigidaire clock is set. Now, you have any question, any comments, please do leave it below and hit the subscribe button for more future video. Plus, there is a link for surge protector to protect your microwave, and also some cleaning products if you like to use it to clean your microwave. Okay, thanks for watching.